In this demo, I would like to showing you the three data sources we are going to using in the workshop. The first data source is the bookshop solution. We having the book 10,000 books is coming from the bookshop solution running from my SAP HANA Cloud database. The second data source is the my S4 HANA Cloud tenant, where we have maintained all the books as product, and as well as the sales price, and so on and so forth. And then we have maintained the sales order since the beginning of 2021. That was the sales order for the book sales. In this book sales order, you have 5 books sold included. And the third data source is the archive history book sales data set from the 2021, from the 2011 to 2020, where they reside in the AWS S3 bucket in this case. If you stay with us for the 3 days of the bootcamp, at the end of the bootcamp, you will be able to create such a storytelling bookshop sales 360. You will have a sales overview page, where you can having the current sales KPI and chain in this case, and even you can having the group them by the author or by the month. That's by August, or even you can have choose them by the author roll down, and what are the best-selling books for the roll down, the BFG in this case. And then you also will create some kind of a monthly books report, something like the corporate reporting by month, by book. And then we will learn also the augmented analytics featured in the SAP Analytics Cloud as well, where you can using conversation with the system. Show me the top 5 best-selling books for the second half of 2021. It will automatically generate such a dashboard for you, and then it also giving you the insight what are the data has been changed for this book sales for this book, particularly in this case. And then we also learn how to create a kind of planning model, and then using the pre-planning to forecast the book sales for the next 12 months in this case, for 2022 in this case. If you're a developer, we are also going to learn how to create a very interactive analytical app with the SAP SDK. Here's one of the example. The book sales, each dot stands for the book in this case. And this one is a BFG. And to pay attention to the search bar here in Bean. The moment I want to click this dot, now it has been intact with the Bean to search by the book title, the BFG in this case. And even more cooler, you also can create to custom your own widget as well to make it something very cool widget in this case. So stay with us at the end of the bootcamp. Thank you.